I'm a recipient of direct payments. I have been for probably over 20 years now, I would imagine. And direct payments has been a great benefit to me because I'm a businessman. I run my own business, and by having the choice of organising the times of my home care, it's been absolutely essential. Like for example, not so much now, but I used to run around to exhibitions and trade shows and things, which sometimes meant leaving very early in the morning, so I could actually employ my home care carers to come in at certain times. Eventually, I managed to find a good enough support home care agency. Took a lot of doing, but by the fact that I was employing them, if they were no good, then I could sort of like kick them into touch and get another one who did what I needed them to do.